YouTube, what's going on? Today I want to talk about how to beat laziness as an entrepreneur. It's not easy. Laziness is something you have to overcome, and it takes time. It could take time, but honestly, whatever it is you're trying to accomplish is something that you want that bad. Laziness should not be an issue. But if it is, for whatever reason, you implement this little mindset thing I'm about to tell you, this is exactly what you needed to hear so you could defeat laziness indefinitely. Basically, what you have to do is learn how to control your emotions. Regardless of how you feel, if it's tired, lazy, happy, sad, motivated, unmotivated, you have to do what you set out to do every day. And one way that helped me overcome laziness is by thinking about how I would feel about today a year from now. Yes, you heard me right. A year from now, I'm not even gonna remember anything that happened today unless I wrote it down or recorded it. But if it was not a significant event in my life, I'm not gonna remember. What does that mean? If you do it now, regardless of how you feel, your future self in a year from now is gonna thank you. Because depending on whatever that task is that you had to do today that you don't feel like doing, it doesn't matter what it is. If you do it today, a year from now, you're gonna be so grateful that you did what you did a year ago. What I just explained to you is called opportunity cost. So try that way of thinking for like 30 days, give it a month. Every day, if you don't feel like doing something, just think, okay, but if I don't do this, my future self a year from now can't benefit. You're planting the seed, and a year from now, you're gonna reap what you sow unless you don't do what you need to do today. As quick of an explanation that was, you have to actually apply it every single day consciously. And I promise you, you're gonna see a difference. You're just gonna turn into a beast. You're just gonna workaholic every day. Gotta do something. Because the Zion in a year from now is gonna be so thankful that the Zion today did something about it. It's hard work though. You have to actually do it. Actually consciously think every single day for whatever it is, whatever business you're trying to run, whatever side hustle, whatever type of way you're trying to make money, bro. Think the long term. And I'm telling you. Anyways, that's all I got for y'all today, man.